We can do either way, both way. I think this is also correct.
Yeah.
This is also correct. Both ways correct. I mean,
One.
this is also one. Order is also one. Not two.
Order is one.
Yeah. Good. So guys, GH. I mean, now we are going for the liquid. Chemical spill. There is no chemical other than oil and hydraulic oil. I will say refer. No chemical agent. No use of no chemical is anticipated as a part of the process code. Right?
No chemical use.
No chemical is right. This is correct. Other than engine oil and hydraulic acid.
No, even engine and hydraulic oil, you are not going to require the equipment there.
Very minimal.
Minor repairing, we are doing that in the site minor because which is we can do in on-site. Otherwise, we have to shift to it.
You are not like engineering, engineering repair, replacement, you will take down everything and put it again. You are not doing that, not possible.
So I'm putting only memories, but just for recording point of view.
You put not applicable, you can say no additional concern rather than
this one?
No, first chemicals.
This one? No,
because we are one side you are saying there is no chemical, but
no chemical.
Hydraulic oil is there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying other than, because this point has to be recorded. There is no hazardous chemical. No.
Go down. There is a oil spill. Something is there. Go down.
Here oil spill is here, so we can put. But this has been already recorded. Okay. Refer has it because we have tripped has it, right?
Okay.
Or safeguards and console. That's okay. Sulfur not applicable, condensate not applicable, process separation no, sulfur no, reservoir no, leak from structure not.
Surface no.
This is not because like it is process area. When you have process area, very concerned.
What? Where your vehicles are parked?
Sorry?
Where your vehicles are parked?
That's there is a designated area near the gate, the two areas, the one area and the equipments parking.
Normally what will happen, what we have seen, wherever you are parking any vehicles, the oil
will drip
there. And if that time reading is coming in, so it will like carry the oil. Yeah. That's what surface runoff is coming. But runoff is mainly
this is
uncontaminated oil. So that's why if it is a paved area or unpaved area. Unprepared.
Yeah.
So unprepared is that we go into soil.
And secondly, I've seen in their scope, they are saying they are going to maintain the slope and gradients. So for constructed area, when they feel the,
for roadside, they are building the roads on. For roadside, there is permanent design, not an issue. Let's say for construction point of view, I suppose tomorrow there is rain while the construction is over. We are not expecting. If suppose there is rain, is there any provision for the rain to, and the it is entirely unpaid area, so there won't be all rain come to go in the ground.
Yeah.
But I am expecting either any oil droplets or